Hello, what's up guys, my name is Abin Thomas and welcome to my YouTube channel Albinex. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install Fortnite on your PC or laptop. Okay, we know that Fortnite is one of the best games on Android and also iOS and also on PC. Okay, I have already put a video on how to download and install Fortnite on your PC or laptop, but many of them in the comment section told me that there is not working, or many of them asked me how to install this Fortnite launcher. Also many of them told me that this is fake. Today I am going to be showing you the full detailed video of how to download and install Fortnite on your PC or laptop. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please go down below and click on subscribe button and also turn on notification icon so you guys won't miss a beat. If you like the video, then click that like button. I will be bringing more interesting videos about gaming and technologies. So let's start the video.
For downloading Fortnite on a PC or laptop, first you need to go to the Microsoft Edge and type Fortnite. And search. You can see here Fortnite official site. This is official site of Fortnite. Either you can go and on the Fortnite official site, and also you can create an Epic Game account there, or if you have an Epic Game account, then you can directly click on download. Now they will ask which the device you are using. I'm clicking on Windows. Now you can see here, do you want to install Fortnite Epic Game installer? Click run. Okay guys, I have already installed on my device, so I am not installing anymore. So go to download. Now you can see here scanning. You can see it's downloaded, and here you can see the Fortnite installer setup. Now you can select the destination file and click on install. After, you need to wait for some time. Click yes. It will take time, some time. Okay, now you can see here the Epic Game launcher. Now it's opening the Epic Game launcher. going to download 132.6 MBs in the Epic Game Launcher, so it will take them some time. I will skip that. Okay guys, now you can see I have successfully updated the game. Now I will try to open Epic Game Launcher. Yeah, here you can see that game launcher has been successfully opened. Now you can see 5 options on the top: Unreal Engine, Fortnite, Unreal Tournament, Shadow Complex, Modi. Click on Fortnite. After that, for you guys, it will be showing my download. I already started downloading, so I just posted the game. Now click on resume. It will take some time for loading. Okay. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please go down below and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on the notification icon so that you guys won't miss a peep. Also, if you like the video, hit the like button. Okay, you can also see the progress on the side. Okay, it will take some time. Yeah, now you can see the download is about to start. Okay, installing. It shows that installing. Yeah, you can see here. You can also see the download speed of internet connection, and you can see here that it is 2 MBs of 10.9 GBs. Okay, you can install the full game by using this method. Okay, you can see it is level 10.9 GBs. Okay, you can also close the game. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.